In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Explore Workspace in Google Analytics 4. The Explore section is where you can go beyond basic reports and build custom analyses that answer very specific questions about your users and their behavior. We'll walk through how to get there and how to start working with blank explorations, recent ones, and templates so you understand the options available when you first open it. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that has access to your Google Analytics 4 property. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct account and property at the top of the screen because the data and explorations you'll see depend on that selection. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see the main navigation menu. Here you'll find options like Reports, Explore, Advertising, and more. Click on Explore in the left. This will take you into the Explore Workspace, which is a dedicated area for building deeper, more customizable reports than what you get in the standard reporting section. When the Explore Workspace opens, you'll see several ways to start an exploration. One of the simplest options is to click on blank. Choosing a blank exploration gives you a completely empty canvas. This is helpful when you know exactly what you want to build, or you want full control over the dimensions, metrics, and visualization types you'll use. From there, you can add segments, dimensions like page path or event name, and metrics like users or conversions, and then choose how you want to visualize the data, such as a table, a funnel, or a path analysis. Even though we're not building the full report in this tutorial, it's important to know that the blank option is your most flexible starting point. If you've created explorations in the past, you don't always need to start from scratch. You can select an exploration in recent. This area will show explorations you've worked on before, so you can quickly reopen them and continue analyzing, adjust filters, or compare data over different time ranges. Using the recent section is a great way to build on work you've already done instead of repeatedly setting up the same analysis. You also have the option to select a template. Templates are pre-configured exploration setups designed around common analysis types. For example, you might see templates for freeform analysis, funnel exploration, path exploration, user lifetime, or cohort analysis. These templates come with recommended dimensions, metrics, and visualizations already added, which can save you a lot of time, especially if you're new to GA4 or not sure how to structure a particular kind of report. To see all the available templates, click on Template Gallery. This opens a more complete view of the different exploration templates organized by use case. Browsing the gallery is a good way to discover new analysis methods you might not have considered and to learn how Google recommends setting up certain types of explorations. Once you see a template that fits what you want to analyze, select a template and click it. Google Analytics 4 will create a new exploration based on that template using your own properties data. From there, you can customize it by changing filters, swapping out dimensions and metrics, or adjusting the visualization type to better suit your needs. And that's it. You've learned how to access the Explore Workspace in Google Analytics 4. Start from a blank exploration, reopen recent explorations, and use the template gallery to quickly launch powerful pre-built analyses.